Let's build a computer for under $200. Now I've spec'd out builds for $500 and $300, but this is going to be a challenge because at this price range, you're going to have to suffer a lot of performance. Things might run iffy, but you're still going to be able to play games. So we're back to eBay. So we're basically going to still try to follow the same original strategy as the other two builds by going with a pre-built. We've picked a pre-built under $100, and it's decent, but it's not the best. But for $200, this is what it's going to have to take. But it does have everything we need. We have a decent CPU, RAM, and storage. Now since this is only $200, it's going to be pretty easy to upgrade. Now we have to get a graphics card. Even though it's a pre-built, it has integrated graphics, so you're not going to run anything off of that CPU without dedicated graphics. And we've picked our graphics card, GTX 1070. It should run your games pretty well. And there we have it. We have our computer specs. Although it's a little over $200, I went over budget by $10. It's mainly because of shipping, which you're going to have to pay anyway. But for $210, you can have a GTX 1070 and a pre-built with 8 gigabytes of RAM, i3 8100, and 256 gigabytes of storage. Subscribe.